Hi everybody, it's Gemma, welcome back to Pampered Wolf. I'm starting this video with a completely fresh face again today, which is becoming a little bit of a habit on my channel, but I want to jump straight into this video because recently I have been on a mission to find the best tinted moisturiser on the market. We are coming up to that time of year where we all want something a little bit sheerer on our faces, a little bit more lightweight so it doesn't feel so heavy and full coverage for the hot summer weather, and also something with a little bit of an added SPF would really help. And the other day I was walking through Debenhams, which is one of my favourite places. It is the mothership of beauty here in the UK, especially the one that I go to. It's amazing and all the staff are beautiful. So if any of you are watching, hi everybody from Debenhams Beauty. I was walking through there and I noticed that this is brand new on the Clinique counter. This is their brand new Moisture Surge Sheer Tint Hydrator with an added SPF of 25. Now I tried some of this on the back of my hand just to make sure that the colour was right for me because there are only 5 shades of this and it was absolutely stunning. So I'm really looking forward to trying this out on my face. Let's do a little bit of bump on this product and I'm going to get some on. So this is the brand new Clinique Moisture Surge Sheer Tint Hydrator. This is apparently a replacement product for the Surge Tinted Moisturiser, which has been around for quite a while. This is £30 in the UK and you get 40ml worth of product, but this has not been released in the US yet. This comes in 5 different shades and I've gone for the lightest shade, which is called Very Light. This is a tinted hydrator. It provides 12 hours of hydration, it's sheer coverage, it's sweat and humidity resistant, it's oil free, it gives a natural finish, and it contains hyaluronic acid, aloe water, and the antioxidant vitamin C 10%, which may not be great for my skin because, as you know, my skin does not like vitamin C, but for most people on the planet, the ingredients in here sound beautiful. So I actually really like the bottle that this comes in. Not only does it look really nice, but this is extremely travel friendly because it's a plastic squeezy bottle at the end of the day. If you drop this, it's not going to smash. It comes with a little screw top lid, which when you open it, has a hole on the end which dispenses the product. Let's get some of this on. So this is much more of a tinted moisturiser consistency. As you can see, it's standing proud. I can't say that without laughing now. One of my subscribers actually took that in a dirty way. You know who you are. Now you're making me laugh. It's really bad, really bad. So this is standing proud on the back of my hand. Much more of a tinted moisturiser consistency. Quite a thick product. So I'm going to try putting this on with my fingers first because I know a lot of people like to put a tinted moisturiser on with your fingers. It's extremely stiff, extremely stiff. So let's just get some of that on. Okay, this is really sheer, a really sheer product. So those of you who really like a tinted moisturiser look will like this. The NYX Bear With Me tint had much more coverage than this the other day. Okay. Maybe we'll switch to a brush. Even on the back, even on the back of my hand, this is going really patchy. Let me just show you my fingers. Can you see? It looks like there are powder pigment in here mixed in with a moisturiser, and all the powder pigment is sticking to my fingers and leaving no pigment on my face. And it actually looks like all my skincare is pilling underneath when actually I don't think it's my skincare that's pilling. I think it's the powder pigments within this product that are just clumping together and just coming off. I mean, Okay, I'm going to try applying this with a brush to see whether that goes on any better. At the moment, this is not going well. And I've only done my chin. Really isn't going well. Why is this not going well? You know when you try and apply a product on top of an oil and you can see it start to separate on the skin? That is what this is doing. I'm going to zoom you in on this and you can make your own mind up. But can you see how all the powder is coagulating on my skin? It's just sitting on the surface. And you can really see that it's separating as I speak. That is a shame. You can also see, if I just do this for you, you can see it just pilling. Look how gross that is. So now I am in a little bit of a position that I have never been in the history of my entire channel. Actually, I'm mistaken. The L'Oreal True Match foundation that did not like my skin at all put me in this exact same position, but it was a really, really long time ago. Now, if you are a regular to my channel, you will know that I will ride a foundation out until the end of the line. I have been out orange. I have been out like Casper the Ghost. I've been out where my skin looks so dry. And I've also been out looking like my skin, I've just covered it in oil, which this feels like at the moment very, very oily. Very oily. If you don't like the feeling of oil, this definitely won't be for you. So I have ridden foundations out to the end of the line just for the sake of a foundation review. But I feel like we are at the end of the line for this foundation, this moisturising tint, because the whole tint has flaked off my face. I'm sure my skin's very hydrated, but it's not tinted anymore because the whole tint is just, it's just peeling off. I am throwing in the towel. I will keep trying this out throughout the week, but I cannot go out looking like this today. This is just a big flaky mess. It's just not good. It really isn't good. So at the moment, my first impressions review conclusion would be do not waste your money on this. However, going back to the L'Oreal True Match foundation review that I did, which also really hated my skin. It also hated my mum's skin. It didn't sit nicely. The L'Oreal True Match is a lot of people's ride or die. More people like it than dislike it, which proves no skin is the same, and my opinion might not be yours. So before you take my opinion as gospel that this is just awful, go to the Clinique counter, get a sample and try it on your own skin. I don't like the way that this makes my skin feel. It's extremely oily, but if you've got super, super dry skin, that might actually be nice on your skin, as long as it doesn't leave this sort of flaky, pilling look on the surface. Now, like I said earlier, I am going to try this out for the rest of the week. Seriously looking forward to that. I'm going to try and see if I can get this working on my skin. And if my opinion changes at all, which at the moment I really doubt it will. Really doubt it will. I will update everybody in a pinned comment at the top of the comment section of this video. So do keep your eye out for that. So I'm sorry this review has been a little bit negative and hasn't lasted very long, to be quite honest. I'm really sorry about that, but at the end of the day, it is my opinion and I just can't sugarcoat this. Nothing can sugarcoat this. The face does not lie. It's really quite upsetting because Clinique does some absolutely amazing products. I tried their Even Better Refresh, which is their newest foundation on the market, and it's beautiful. It's such a lovely consistency. It's really lightweight. It's really hydrating. Sits on the skin so beautifully. So they do have some amazing products. Unfortunately, This just is not one of them, in my opinion. But again, go out, get a sample, try it for yourself, and let me know what you think about it in the comments section below. So I hope you found this video helpful. I'm really sorry it hasn't been a major positive experience. I'm now going to go and wash all this off. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. There is a watermark in this corner. If you click on it, it will take you through to my homepage where you can subscribe. I'm also on Instagram if you want to follow me on there. It's @PamperedWolf, all lowercase, no spaces. Hope to see you all in the next video. Bye.